Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So it has been quite some time since I sat here and recorded a video. So where have I been? Where have I been? I have been nowhere. So it's been about a month since I've posted a video, and it's not for a lack of not having any videos to post. I think I just got lazy to edit, to be honest. So yeah, I was on this posting one video a week streak for well over a year, and for the past month I literally have not posted anything. Not only here on YouTube, but I've also been slacking tremendously on my Instagram page as well. And yeah, so the other day I was sitting and thinking why I haven't been posting much. I don't know, I think I just haven't been feeling very inspired. And so I just wanted to take some time away and really just think about what it is I've been doing and do other things to kind of like re-energize myself again, I guess. But with that said, I am back on my normal routines. So I have videos that I need to post. I just need to finish editing them so I can post them. And I could have just gone ahead and posted one of those videos, but I thought that I would actually come on here and explain to you guys why I haven't been posting first before I actually posted a video. So again, nothing crazy, no specific reason. I just wasn't feeling like doing it. I guess we all go through phases and times where we're just not into certain things, and that's okay. I mean, it's good to kind of take a step back and do other things, and then once you feel ready, come back. So that's what I did. So here I am now with a haul for you guys. So I thought I would share with you guys some of the beauty, hair, skin items that I've collected over the past few weeks. I'm very excited to share them with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing some of my goodies, then stay tuned. And I also wanted to say that while I was on my little hiatus, we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much for those of you watching this video that have already subscribed. I really appreciate you guys. You don't even know. It's just crazy that throughout this whole month I haven't been posting anything, but you guys have been watching, you guys have been commenting, liking, subscribing. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate you guys kind of sticking with me and enjoying the content that I've been putting out. So thank you again. I really appreciate it. Let's keep the subscriptions going and let's hit our next milestone. 3,000 subscribers. Can we do it? Let's say before the end of the summer. That's a huge stretch, but I will do my best to post. If you guys promise to watch and subscribe and share and like and comment, because all of that helps others to find this channel. So once again, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. Now let's get into the haul. Alright guys, so I've picked up a couple of things over the past few weeks, and I thought I'd share them with you guys because I love them so much, and I thought maybe you guys might like them or maybe you use them. I would say a lot of these items I picked up at either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. If you've watched some of my previous videos, then you know that I love shopping at those stores. They have really great products for nice, cheap, reasonable prices. And the first thing I picked up was a hair mask. My hair's been feeling soft, moisturized, and very hydrated, but it started to feel a little bit mushy, like it wasn't really clumping like it normally did, so I felt like it needed a boost of like protein, but I don't really like to add too much protein in my hair. And I found that this mask here from Shea Moisture is really great when my hair needs that little oomph, that little bit of strengthening agent. I always reach for this Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. Whenever I feel like my hair needs some protein, this is what I like to use because it does strengthen your hair, but it also helps to soften and deep condition at the same time. So I've been using this for the past few weeks and I've felt a complete 180 with my hair. It feels a lot better than how I was feeling prior. Also for the past couple of weeks, I have been mixing this bad boy here with my Hydrate conditioner. So I shared this with you guys in a previous video, but at the time I only had the small travel size. So I recently ordered the Hydrate conditioner from Form, which is one of my favorite conditioners as well. I just love how it smells, and it also does a great job with really making my hair feel moisturized and like thick. Like my hair doesn't feel limp. It feels very thick and full. So I've actually been deep conditioning with these two and it's been doing wonders for my hair. So those two things for hair. Another thing that I recently picked up is a restock of my Curl Activator cream. So this stuff is amazing, one of my favorite stylers. I actually just finished styling my hair, half of my hair actually, with this. And then I styled the other half of my hair with another product that's very comparable to this one, but it's not as cheap as this one. This one is actually, I think I picked this up for like $6 at Target. And the other product that I styled my hair with is very, very similar to this, but a lot more. So if you want to see what that product is, and if you want to see how my hair comes out, then you're going to have to watch that video. So I'll be sure to link that for you. Okay, so the next product that I picked up, okay, I'm going to do all the hair stuff first. So actually my husband got this for me and I love the lotion from this line. So I thought that I would try out the shampoo and conditioner. I think I've tried them in the past, but it's been quite some time, from OGX, and it is the Argan Oil of Morocco line, which is my favorite line from OGX because it smells so good. The smell is amazing. So he got me the shampoo, conditioner, and the, what is this, the hair butter. It's either a leave-in or a rinse out. I guess you could use it like a deep conditioner as a leave-in or just as a regular conditioner. And also got me this coconut oil mist from OGX as well. So I've been loving the shampoo and conditioner, so yay for that. I've also been loving the oil. I love the OGX Weightless oils that they have. I had never tried this one before, but I love the kukui oil one, so I ran out of that one quite some time ago. So I have been using this, and I use it to, after my hair air dries, to kind of give it shine and moisture, or if I have a cast, it helps me to scrunch out the cast. Smells really good. If you love coconuts, then you'll love this. But I did not really like the hair butter. Again, I've only used it once, and I used it more like a leave-in or a styler. I'm going to try and use it as a mask one of these days, and maybe I'll film it for you guys so you can see how it comes out. Alright, so I guess moving on to body products, I recently picked this Argan Shower Gel up. It is a shower gel. It says argan on it, and that, honestly, that's the reason why I bought it, because it says argan on it. I love anything that has argan oil. And this is actually my second bottle. I picked this up for $5.50 at TJ Maxx. So that was a huge steal. I purchased one from Marshall's, again, because I was looking for a shower gel. It says argan on it, and it was very inexpensive. So I picked this up and I loved it. So then I was shopping at TJ Maxx and I saw it again. So I picked up another one for when my other one runs out. And not only does it have argan oil, which I love, but it also doesn't have any parabens, SLSs, and SLESs, and it has no silicones. So you guys know I'm not a big fan of parabens, nor am I a big fan of silicones. Oh, and I love the smell. It smells amazing. Honestly, I think anything that has argan oil in it just smells so good. If you love argan oil or how argan oil smells, leave me a comment down below and let me know. So the next thing that I picked up is, this is actually my second time purchasing this item. I picked up a face and body mist. Now, this is made with organic rose water, and this is amazing. This is my second bottle. I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $8. And it says you can spray either your face or your body with it, but normally I use it to spray my face. I'll spray it just, you know, throughout the day whenever I feel like my face feels a little dull or I just need a pick-me-up. I'll spray my face with this. I also like to spray it when I'm doing my makeup, when I get out of the shower. I mean, this stuff is so good. It is basically made with 2 ingredients. It's made with certified organic rose flower water and water. That's it. So love, 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 love this stuff. I don't even know where to buy it. I just pick it up whenever I see it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. It's made from Olivia Care. I've never heard of that brand before, but it is made in the USA. There is a website, so I guess I can just check out the website. But yeah, I love this stuff. It's so good. And the next thing that I want to share with you guys is a argan oil. Again, the theme of this haul is argan oil. So this is an instant face and body moisturizer. So I was looking for a face oil and I came across this one here. Most of the time I don't even put any moisturizer on my face. I'll just use this either in the morning or at night. I will rub it all over my face and my neck. It says you can use it on your body, but maybe in the summertime I'll try it on my body, but for now I've just been using it on my face and I love it. It smells really nice. It's really light, as you can see, and it smells very nutty. Fresh. It smells really good. And it's from Measurable Difference, and I bought this at TJ Maxx for $6. And the last 2 things that I want to share with you guys are essential oils. So I recently picked up a few diffusers, oil diffusers, and I'm in love with them. So I have about 3 of them in my house right now, and I like to diffuse lavender oil, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. So those are the 3 that I typically will put in my diffuser. But the kit that came with the diffusers had quite a few oils in it, and 2 of them, tea tree oil and peppermint oil, I don't really like diffusing them. So what I've been doing is I've been using them in my pre-poo treatment. So I have an oil mixture that I created, and I have a video actually, and I'll link that for you so you guys can check it out. But I ended up adding a few drops of the peppermint and tea tree oil, which are great oils for your scalp. So I've been loving these. I mean, they are meant for the oil diffusers. I don't know if I'm supposed to be putting this on my skin, but it does say it's 100% pure therapeutic grade, so it shouldn't be that bad. I mean, the ingredients are 100% peppermint essential oil, 100% pure, natural, and paraben free, 100% unconditional guarantee. And the tea tree oil is also 100% tea tree essential oil. So I'm pretty sure it would be fine to use on your skin. So yeah, so I have this as part of my pre-poo oil concoction that I created, and I only honestly use like 2 or 3 drops in a bottle that I have that's about this size here. Only a few drops because it is so potent, you don't really need a lot of it.
Hey guys, so it's future me here wanting to share one last item with you guys that I actually forgot to share in the video. It is this natural deodorant. It's from the brand Schmidt, and this is their lavender and sage version of their natural deodorant. So I've been looking for a natural deodorant for quite some time now that actually works. A lot of them don't do a really great job with controlling wetness or odor, and I found that this brand here does a great job. I purchased one that was made with charcoal previously, which I really loved. So when I came across this one here in TJ Maxx, I had to pick it up because it's made with lavender, which is currently one of my favorite scents, and surprisingly it's been doing really, really well. It does a great job with not only neutralizing odor, but it also absorbs wetness, as it mentions here on the product, and it contains no aluminum, no propylene glycol, and no artificial fragrance. And not having any of that, it does a great job, and it smells really, 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 really nice.
So that is it. Those were all the items that I had to share with you guys in my haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the products that I shared. If you've used any of them, or you know, want to try any of them, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. And I love to shop at Marshalls and TJ Maxx because I get to find such great things like this. You guys tell me if you have one of those stores in your area and whether or not you like to shop there. But yeah, so thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you again for helping me to reach 2,000 subscribers. I thank and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you are watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, like this video, leave me a comment, introduce yourself, let me know who you are, and thank you again for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.